Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate Grammarly on your Google Docs. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on App section here and you can install by clicking on Grammarly for Chrome. Just click on this install button. Or you can also open up Google Docs. If you already have installed Grammarly for Windows, type in Google Docs. After that, sign into your account and open a blank document. Here you can see a pop-up on the bottom right corner of the screen by telling you to enable extension. Just click on this button and click on Add to Chrome. Now you will see an extension of Grammarly. Click on Add to Chrome button and click on Add extension on the pop-up. After that, you can see Grammarly icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So that is how you can activate Grammarly on Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.